Your time is valuable, and there's a lot you need to get done in a day. You've probably tried many different hacks, tips, and tricks to maximize your schedule. After many years in the online space, I've tried more than a few methods, and I've found some things to work so well that they've become rituals that govern not only my business, but how I live my life. Today, I share two of them with you. Here's to reclaiming your time. Hi, welcome to the Connect with Sheila podcast. I'm an entrepreneur, self-care strategist, and creator of the Seasons self-care app. I'm committed to helping you reconnect to your purpose, elevate your well-being, and build your version of a happy, successful life. You're listening to a Monday mini-sode where I share an insight designed to help you live into what lights you up this week. I've tried many things in my 30 plus years in the wellness, transformational, and online space. As you can imagine, the digital world was different 30 plus years ago. So I've seen a lot of different things. I've had books, I've had daytime planners, I've had Post-it notes galore, I've had wall calendars, big binder calendars, tiny little calendars that fit in my purse. I've had the whole nine yards. And of course, digital. Digital came along and I thought everything's going to be so much easier. But what I found is, as time has gone on, technology has not streamlined the number of tasks and pieces of business that I need to address. It's actually increased it. Do you know what I'm talking about? While you can accomplish so much more from your computer, there's countless steps in various processes and things to schedule and track. And that's just for the structure surrounding the business. It doesn't take into account the delivery part of serving clients. I'm really grateful for the systems I have in place to support me, to reach people, to engage with them, and to be truly present when we're working together. However, it was not a smooth road to get to this place. In fact, it really is a continual process, and I'm refining constantly. So you know what I'm talking about. I mean, there's a lot of moving parts in any venture or project when you have dreams. So how do you reclaim some time to lean back and enjoy the blessings of your work? There are many to choose from. There's books and books and books written on this topic. So that's a lot, right? I wanted to share the two that I found have helped everything feel easier and more achievable. And the key with both of them is that they're connected to your unique way of being. There's no one best way to do anything. And actually, isn't that relaxing? Because we all are different. And I've realized after repeated trial and missteps that the, quote, best way for me one day is not necessarily the same the next day or the next week. So the first step I recommend, it's going to be interesting for you. It's not really challenging. Print a copy of your calendar for the past 3 months and then for the coming 3 months and step away from your computer. Yes, you heard me. Get out of your office. Go to your favorite corner of your home, outdoor space, if it's nice weather, luxe hotel lobby or coffee shop, and take your printed calendar pages, a notebook, pen, and a highlighter. And as you look at your calendar from the last 3 months, go over all that you did and compare it with your overall accomplishments. Gauge these events by how you felt when they were happening and how you were feeling afterwards. As you sit quietly, give yourself time to sink into what felt good, where you felt stressed, what things were rushed, and what you didn't put on your calendar because you had no time available for it. In your notebook, write in a free flow all the feelings that come up when you look at this. Highlight the top 3 themes that you see and decide what, if anything, needs to change. This first step allows you to see the things that you've been doing are the things that you want to keep on doing, whether you want to shift how you're doing them, what you can have someone else do, and what you can let go of altogether. I've heard for years that simplicity is a key to success. Now, this applies to your messages, your offerings, and your focus. And of course, it includes what you do with your time outside of work. So letting go can feel scary, but when it's meant for you to do it, it is freedom. Freeing up space allows you to be more fully in your presence and power with the ability to take your business to the next elevation. So now that you've looked deeply and felt into this overarching part of your life, and again, you can do this for both business and personal if you like, it's time to look at the next coming 3 months. So this is the second step. Perhaps there's a lot on your calendars already, and you may be feeling excited about some events and tasks while being stressed out and anxious about others. Allow these feelings to wash over you and know that it's okay to feel how you feel in this moment. Also know that you get to make a change because guess what? This is your business. You get to change your mind. Think of Adele or Alicia Keys or Andrea Bocelli. If they have a sold-out concert and they get ill or lose their voice, they cancel and make necessary shifts to the tour. It all works out because guess what? They're human too. So if they can change things, so can you. You are the CEO of you and of your business. There may be some things that you said yes to on your calendar that you feel a deep sense of needing to follow through on. I get that. So trust your instincts and do what you know is right. Also, know that there will be plenty of things that you can easily move or cancel to free up space so you can be resourced to do the big thing that you maybe don't want to cancel. This is self-care for business, my friend. For your work to get out into the world and to thrive, you must care for the source, and that's you. So now that you've considered what you need to adjust going forward, you can plan your time according to what fuels you to be your most creative and productive. And step 2 includes this particular part, and that is really the underpinning of everything. Factoring in your energy and what times of the day or month are best for you to do certain activities. This is where my cyclical self-care primer comes in. You can find it at the link in the show notes to guide you through what planning your life, wellness, and work from your body signals looks like. It's a free offering that I have for you there. When you do this, you will feel so expansive and your creativity will open up to new possibilities. As a result, you'll be more magnetic to those things that are for you, connections, collaborations, all of those things, because you open up the space so you get your energy flowing and you're so much happier. And I found that joy is magnetic. So there you have it. 2 steps away from your computer that don't involve anything other than knowing what you've been doing, how you want to feel, and your energetic patterns. Truly, all you need is within you. It's where your creative ideas are sourced, why you get up every day with the hope and belief that you'll achieve the dreams you've been cultivating, and why you started listening to this episode. Your year ahead gets to look different and feel so much better than the year behind you. And I'm cheering you on in all you want for your life. This is one of the underpinnings of the Seasons Collective. It's a space for ambitious women to connect with themselves, their mission, and with others who have dreams to realize, and celebrating each other as you build your unique versions of success. It's a collaborative space where you never know who you meet that can help you elevate faster than you may do on your own. The sisterhood is a space where dreams of all sizes are celebrated and where you're inspired to take steps towards bringing them to life. Check out all the details in the show notes, and I hope to see you in there. Thank you so much for listening today. If you got something valuable from this episode, tag me on social media because I love shouting out the messages that you tag me in. And of course, it means the world to me when you listen to these episodes and rate, review, and share them. It really helps spread the message of going for your version of a life of more to those who need the encouragement. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful rest of your week. Big blessings.